Hey again, it's Roxy Robinette, and I am going to talk to you a little bit about Kahoot. This is a new one to me. Most of them are new to me, actually, but that's just because I'm not a teacher yet. So you can see here that I have already created an account and logged into Kahoot. So it's telling me, well done, now on to the next task. I went ahead and created a Kahoot. It was how I get to know your teacher, so I'm going to click on it. Um, and you can see here we've got the questions, and I already filled in the answers as far as that goes, so I'm going to assign it. And this is basically, this one lets me do a kind of a self-paced Kahoot in case my players or my students can't get it done right away. So I'm going to hit create. I can invite more players. I've got a game pin, so they can go to kahoot.it and put that game pin in. Let me copy. Let me click on Kahoot IT. There's the game pin. I am just pasting it in. Enter. Ready, get set, Kahoot. It's open for 2 days, 13 hours. Let's join the game. My nickname, Roxy. Okay, go. Get to know your teacher. I'm not going to do this whole thing. But here's the first quiz. What's your teacher's name? Well, um, pretty simple. Miss Robinette. Yay! All right, so you can see I've got points and I've got a correct answer. I'm sure I don't think that you can hear all of my fun sound effects or anything like that. I'm going to go back to the dashboard, but you can see it's laid out pretty well. My report, I get reports to see where things are going. So basically, and it's also got templates, so that's the awesome part. So you don't have to create everything from scratch. You can upgrade. So if you really like the free version, but you want a little more for the features, you can certainly go that route. But the free version is certainly useful too. And the ISTE standards that I believe that this fits, 3.2.c. Evaluate progress, make course corrections, measure impact, and scale effective approaches for using technology to transform learning. And 3.1.a, ensure all students have skilled teachers who actively use technology to meet student learning needs. Thanks and have a great night.